Our top story this afternoon, South Korea's daily COVID-19 tally continues to remain above 30,000, with more than 36,000 confirmed on Tuesday. To prevent the further spread, authorities are planning to administer fourth vaccine shots for the elderly. But despite concerns about the huge spike in Omicron infections, all classes will be taught in person for the new school year. Choi Min-jung has our top story.
South Korea reported 36,719 new cases of COVID-19 on Tuesday. The daily tally has now been above 30,000 for 4 days in a row. The figure has doubled compared to a week ago, while it has increased more than fourfold compared to the week before that. Meanwhile, the number of critically ill continues to fall, currently at 268. But authorities are still concerned over a potential resurgence in the number of severely ill patients. They say the number of severely sick people can increase if more among higher risk groups are infected. Against this backdrop, there are plans to administer fourth vaccine doses for people in nursing hospitals and care facilities to prevent cluster and breakthrough infections. For those who haven't yet received a jab, authorities are considering administering the Novavax vaccine. Data has shown that there were a total of 66 cases of cluster infections in January, resulting in nearly 2,500 patients. There were 7 cases of cluster infections in the first week of February. Despite concerns about the huge spike in Omicron infections, the Education Ministry said that it is set on pushing through its plans to bring all students back to the classroom. Each school will be able to make its own decisions based on the region's pandemic situation. The ministry suggests schools switch to online classes when 3% of all students are infected or 15% of all students are absent because they are under quarantine or have caught COVID-19. Schools will also expand testing procedures by introducing rapid antigen tests. The number of special response teams that go to schools to conduct PCR tests will also be increased. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.